Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share a powerful virtual whiteboard tool for drawing or collaborating in real time. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So head over to XcaliDraw. This is a free open source web-based whiteboard tool that allows users to create hand-drawn like diagrams and collaborate in real time, offering features like a canvas-based interface, shape libraries, and export options. You can also use Mermaid code to draw the diagrams or create mind maps, etc. etc. All in all, this is a tool that can help you in multiple ways. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.